Hey guys, today we'll look at question number 237 on Leetcode delete node in a linked list. It's an easy question and I'm just doing it because it's a June challenge question for day 2. You need to write a function where you are given a node and that node belongs to a linked list and you need to delete that node. So you are not given the head of the linked list. You are just given a pointer to the particular node you want to delete, right? So in the example, you are given 4519 and you need to delete 5. So you pointer to 5 node will be given to you in the input. And there are a bunch of nodes down below you need, which actually makes the question easier to do. Uh, I think this is an okay question, not a great question. You just need to remember the trick that here you don't actually need to delete that particular memory of node. You just need to copy the contents from the next node into this node. So you overwrite 5 node, you overwrite 5 with 1, and you overwrite 1 with 9. And you do this until the end of the linked list, right? So basically, if you have wxyz to null, you overwrite x with y and y with z, and you basically delete this and make this null. Okay, or none in this case in Python. Okay, so till when do we need to do this? Okay, let's go node.val. This is our overwriting node.val dot next. Sorry, node.next.val. Okay, and node equals to node.next. This is our iteration. So we can do this till node is not equals to none, right? But which means that when we are on z, when a node is value is equals to z, we want to assign next values onto z, which is not correct. So we try to stop one step before that. Right. Let's try to stop just before z. So when we stop before z, uh, we are saying that fine, z is copied over on y, and we don't have access to node number 3. We can't make pointer from 3 to 4 point to none. So we need to stop at 3 itself. So we need to stop one step before this. Our node points to z, right? We have overwritten everything. We have overwritten x with y. And now what we'll do is we'll make node.val. This is y, still y. We'll make node.val equals to node.next.val. So it becomes z here. And we'll do node.next equals to none. Now this becomes a none. Okay, let's try to run this. I think this is like deletion propagation you do in different data structures. Yeah, I hope you like the video. Thank you.